Hi, today I'm for Nokia G22 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first open the Play Store application and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this first application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download it and then install it on your device. Then just tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings and near green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher, tap to OK twice and go back. Then click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's just check the new keyboard. So we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of the emojis. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.